So you might be in a situation where for some reason iOS 15.8.6 is just not installing on your iPhone. Now, number one, the very important thing to keep in mind here is that iOS 15.8.6 is only available on the iPhone 6s, 6s Plus, and the iPhone SE first generation and the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. Those iPhones are the only ones that can get this version of software. So if you're trying to install it on a different device, that's just not going to work. So kind of keep that in mind for the most part. Now, as you're kind of going through and looking at this update, the next thing you're going to want to do is you want to make sure on your iPhone you have enough storage saved up. I know I have an iPhone 17, but it's basically the same thing. Go inside of your general settings of your iPhone right here, and then tap on iPhone storage. So right here, tap on iPhone storage, and then what you're going to want to do is you just want to see if you can basically clear out some storage on your iPhone to make room for the iOS 15.8.5 update or 18.6 update. So go through, clear out as much storage here as you can, because that's also going to be another really easy thing you can do to kind of fix this problem. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, the next thing I'd recommend doing is to try restarting your iPhone. So go through, hold down the volume up and the side button right over here, and go ahead and slide power off your iPhone, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. Because for a lot of people, that might end up fixing it here too. That's another thing I'd recommend doing. If that's still not working, you might want to try going through and you might want to see if you can basically, use a computer like a Mac or PC to basically update your device. So in terms of that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.